Hi there, it's Sam from pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me and Happy New Year. It's the 2nd of January 2021. Oh my goodness. And of course it's a Saturday, which means, and at the beginning of the month, it means that it is cards in the mail video today. And I have got the most enormous pile of goodies that have been coming through to me all month, even including today. And actually I'm filming this on the 31st. You're seeing it on the 2nd. But yes, stuff has been coming in, so I'm not going to stop and go through everybody's names, but I will go through everything. There's loads. There are Christmas gifts in here. Some of them haven't made it upstairs because I've been using them. That would be a Mickey Mouse face mask. But all of these, just so many gorgeous things. And I say it every time I do one of these videos, never underestimate the power of a handmade card, because they are incredible. So there's 8 of them. Look at this little shiny red nose. The detailing on this one, it's all decoupaged. Just gorgeous. I love it. And little moose, too cute. We've got shimmer going on here. I don't know if you can see that. It's all shimmery across, and I would think that's probably Wink of Stella all over it. Glitter, just glorious. So I'm going to scooch those ones over and then bring in some more cards. So we go bigger now for a moment. Oh, there was something on here and it popped off, and I don't know that I can see it either. Look at this rainbow Christmas tree. So great detailing on here, lifted up. Watercolouring. This one. Look at that. Just brilliant. So that's come from Finland, this one. Another great big card. Look at that. Interactive cards. Rainbow Christmas trees. We love a rainbow, don't we? That's very cute. And this. You're welcome, young man. You know who you are. Thank you very much for sending me this. Oh, let me focus on this. So that's a young fan. And I'm very grateful to have received that as a Christmas card. Another pile here. Let's bring them all out. This one sat on my dinner table for a while, and the boys all saw it and they were like, oh, look at that, that's incredible. Oh, I've got a tag here. Look at that. How amazing is that? It's a beautiful, beautiful card. But just incredible. But yes, it went on my dining table for quite some time. Love purple posy. This one, look at that. Look at that talent in all of these cards. I don't make cards like this. I don't make them because obviously I work in international A4, but others work in different America, you work in different sizes, so I don't make cards like that because it would just get too complicated. Look at this. There is a beautiful note in here. This has come from somebody who works by the seaside in a shop that sells fudge, and she has sent me fudge in every single flavour, and this goes 3 deep. So there are 27 different fudge flavours in here. Look, every single one in its own wrapping and packaging, and just amazing. It's Deborah, thank you very much. Oliver's in here with me. He made me a card. You can do you want to put your hands on? Put your hands on the camera. There you go. Oliver's in here with me because it's still the school holidays, and he wants to show you the card he made at school. Don't you? You're not going to speak, are you? And look at that, he made a pop-up card. That is so cute. So talented teachers teaching an entire class of 30. Is it 30 in your class? Yeah. He's still not speaking. I'm going to try and get him to speak. He's giggling here. You put your hands back on. There you go. He's made are you waving to everybody? It's not live, sweetheart. It's okay. Yeah, talented teachers teaching a class of 30 to do that. And I've got some little treats here, and look at that. She knows who she is. Are you going to be my assistant to move stuff off the table? Are you going to put stuff on? So this is a little gift, and apparently this bath fizzer is rainbow, and it's a shooting star bubblegum scented sample mini bath bomb. That's going, my mother, look at that. And a little rainbow one there too. Are you going to move stuff out of the way? Oh no, don't show who it's from. We only show the outside, that's okay. And then I've got some Christmas goodies and gifts here. Oh, actually, that was from my husband. That doesn't need to come on here. Little treats and bits and bobs here. This was my only rainbow. Sally, you know who you are. I didn't get rainbows this year from my family. Oh, I haven't even opened this one. Oh, for goodness sake. I need a pair of scissors. Here we go. Jacob and Oliver were very kind, and they had little Christmas trees in their bedroom, didn't you? Yours was about, so Oliver's was about 30 centimetres, about a foot tall. And every time anything arrived in the post for me that was in Christmas paper, they whipped it off me straight away, and they stored it under their Christmas trees until Christmas Eve, and then they brought it downstairs. What is this? Oh, Zoe, thank you. Oh, look at this. So yeah, they whizzed everything out of my hands immediately to put underneath their Christmas trees. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, Zoe, I can't wait till you join my team. Oh, it's not focused. There we go. It's focusing now. Look at that. That's incredible. Oh, amazing. And all these, there's a little post-it note here. Love the tag on that. Where I'm moving to the right if I've done them. Are you having a look at that? Okay. All this, see all this big box full of stuff. I've got to go through that lot too. This, I think, yes, that's from Zoe too. Look at this. This is beautiful. And the note in it, it's a gorgeous card. I'm not an expert. And the person who sent me that, they know what I mean. Oh, look at this one. Are you going to bring this one over for me? Are you being my handy helper? Are you going to put your hands on again? Look at this. This one's for you lot. Let's go. You're saying let's go. So there's, look at that. 6 little Maltese reindeer and Brussels sprouts. That's such a British thing. If you're not British, that will pass you by. But look at the beautiful decoration. Amazing. Just amazing. A gorgeous box of goodies. Should we go through? Oh, are you doing that one? Are you hiding the name? Love that card. Isn't that beautiful? They're all so beautiful. They really are. I'm just, like I say, humbled by the gifts and the goodies. There's a lot of stuff that hasn't moved its way upstairs because there are so many of you overseas who sent me Lebkuchen and stroopwafels. Just they haven't made it upstairs because they made it straight into the kitchen where all the foodie stuff for Christmas is kept. And the boys have been working their way through. We've had lots of candy canes, didn't we? Yeah, loads of candy canes came in the post for the children. Oh, look at that. So, look at this. I love this. Now, we Brits, we can't get peppermints like this in this country unless you want to pay for imported ones. Oh, you've taken that off, thank you. Unless you pay for imported ones, they cost a fortune. But I'm all about the red and white peppermints at Christmas. Beautiful. I think this is a promotion card. It is. So I achieved Platinum Elite, which is the highest title in Stampin' Up! Back in October. And that came through from one of my lovely girls. Right, this one here. So Oliver's prepared this for me. So this is a belly band. And it opens like that. Look at that. Are you doing it for me? Thank you. And then the belly band kept it closed. Just amazing. I've done that one. Should we do the rest? Yep. What have I got here? So this is full of treats for you boys too. Look at the Oliver's whispering to one side. Yes. And the lovely, lovely card and all the detail inside. And a tag as well. Just gorgeous. I love them. And yeah, yummy chocolates for you. Oh, you're putting more on. Oh, this one's got a little bit smushed. But this has come from one of the ladies on my team. And, oh, where's the other thing? Oh, I don't know where it is. But yeah, we've got edibles in here. And it got a little bit bashed. There's some more parts to this. Okay, we're going to have to speed up, Oliver. We've gone 10 minutes already. I'm passing more stuff over. Yeah, and the tray. No, it's not the person's name. Look at that. How cute. Looks a little bit like my berry. A little bit like berry and sorrel. Look at this. Oh, here's the other bits from Astrid. Oh, I'll have to look at those in a second. Ah, yes, okay, so, right. So, lovely Astrid who sent me this, and it got a little bit bashed here. So, she's done this, and cards to match. Oh, and she was cashing in, sending back some vouchers. That's okay, you don't need to bring those on. Look at this. Oh, these are what I send out to my team. So, they get vouchers, and, you know, they get a little postcard. That they can keep these, but sometimes they send them back. I'll come to that in a second, darling. Look at this. It's got my name all over the ribbon. I love that. Just amazing. And then this one has got Pootles all over it. I'm never going to use those. I'm going to shall I string them here in the office somewhere? Yeah. Okay. So Astrid, thank you very much. And then look at those. Yum, yum. I've got this to show from gorgeous Liz, who sent this. This was a complete surprise. And I went, oh, I could drink a hot chocolate out of that. Now, I am a bit of a Disney fan. That's not, thank you, darling. That's not unknown. What isn't known is that I have a dressing gown with Eeyore on it. And actually, the hood of the dressing gown has his ears. But I also have one of those giant hoodies known as Oodies. I've got a giant one with Eeyore. And yes, I am possibly wearing Winnie the Pooh slippers right now. And I have a Winnie the Pooh hat. So, yeah. Brilliant. And then Oliver's bringing out more cards. I'll come... Oh, can we fit one more on? No, we'll come to that one in a second. So I've got glimmer going on and glitter and rainbows. Do people think I might like a rainbow? I like a rainbow, don't I? Yes. That's really clever. They're all very clever. And look, I have my own calendar with an S for Sam. Oh, you swapping places with those. And then this one had vouchers in, which I've cashed in. And I've shown you the vouchers, you know, what everybody does with their vouchers. But yet we like a different thing each time. Oh, are you taking that off me? You're going to get the vouchers out. Look at these rainbow cards. I definitely... Can you do this with me every video? Seriously, he's not going to speak. He's just nodding to me. And look. So this came from one of my lovely, lovely ladies who's been with me a very, very long time. And unfortunately doesn't live in one of our countries anymore. No, it's okay. It's all right. My address is fine on there. It doesn't live in one of our countries anymore. And she sent me... She cashed in her final set of vouchers before she moved on with like I say, to outside our territory, and made me this beautiful cat, and that's popped off. Oh, you're bringing in the cats again, and that round it as well. Just amazing. Did you whiz through everything very, very quickly? You did, didn't you? So if I could show you what my desk looks like, there's the most enormous mountain of cards and chocolates for the boys. Yes, you're going to dive into one straight away, aren't you? And this is all that have come in December, and like I say, never underestimate the power of what a handmade card can do for someone. And Oliver, you want me to put yours on the very top. Can you make me another one that says Happy New Year, please? He's nodding in agreement. So yeah, I don't think we can fit any more on this pile. Because I don't want to damage anything. But yeah, never underestimate the power of a handmade card and just how it makes somebody feel. And I know what goes into making a card, and I'm going to have a good sniff of all of those. Centos. I know what goes into making a handmade card. I do that myself, obviously, throughout each month. And yeah, it's just amazing. So thank you ever so much for joining me. Oh, I think we have to pull the lid off and sniff it. Oh, okay, that's like berries. They're very cool. Thank you, Sally. So thank you very much for joining me and Oliver. You're going to put your hands in. Just your hands, darling. Did you want to put the top of your head in? No. So thank you ever so much for joining us. And we'll see you on Monday. Oh, I've just thought Spring Watch starts on Monday. Can't wait. Take care, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year. Bye.